13, the pool aisle. Out of the way, punk.
Watch it, BarbaBlobs. But until then, the worst.
Anything else?
The worst. Oh no, thanks, I'm fine. The even really big glitches that we don't have in common.
Anything else you need? Just visit BarbaFuzzy.com.
That's why I'm blueberry flavored bubblegum. And he's black licorice flavored cotton candy. My inner thoughts of right and wrong. Come out, wherever you belong. That's Bubba's thought. She's my imaginary friend.
Hello, BarbaBlobs. How do you do?
He gets everything inside my thoughts.
What are we doing today?
But whenever I mess up, he's always sticks by my side. Oh, this is one of my favorite things to do. Finally, my robot is complete.
Hello,
It talks too. It's alive! It's alive! Finally! BarbaBlobs! You're not missing on anything, were you? No, Dad! Ignore it, Bubba. Don't make a wrong mix. Sorry, BarbaBlobs. Only one thing BarbaBlobs do is shake shift.